Dirt Fishman here, y'all, again with another video. I'm going to open up some hybrid haulers that I got from Car Culture. And what I didn't get is the Baja Bruiser because I didn't like it because it ain't a licensed car. But first, we have the 99 Ford Lightning. Let's open this joker up and get it out the box. It's so much fun opening these things here up. Like I should have done it a while back. It was turn the turner on. Let's get it a little bit closer. Check that joker out. Got some 5-star rims on it. Got some front detail on it. It's a good looking truck. I like the silver on it. Up next, we have the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Let's open it up and see what it looks like on the turner. Check that one out, y'all. I love the color to it. Got some dirt bikes on the back of it. It's a nice casting right there. Up next, we have the Ford Bronco R. Let's get it out and look at it. Damn. Check that bad boy out. Got the Bronco on the top of it, bucking. Got the roll cage in it, you can see. It's got 2069 on the side of it. Got the spare tire in the back of it. Another nice casting there now. Up next, we have the 75 Datsun Sunny truck, B120. This was the hardest one to find out of the set. People bought these things up fast as they got on the shelf. People love them old JDMs, which I do too. Don't blame them. Check that joker out. It sets low to the ground. I like that thing there now. That is a nice truck. It says Dot Sunny on the tag, license plate tag. Got JDML on it. Got Datsun on the tailgate. It's just a nice casting. Even got something in the back of it. Right there. Can't make out what that is, but that might be some tools or something. Nice little casting there. That's going to do it for this quick little video here. And I want to wish all my subscribers a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If I don't do no more videos. Dirt Fisherman out.